You can use the Instagram block to display your Instagram photos on your site. This is a great way to create a gallery for them without having to use a gallery block or a gallery page. So let's get started. Open a page or post editor and click an insert point. In the block menu, select Instagram. We'll click and drag the block to move it to the desired location. Under Connected Account, select yours from the drop-down menu, or click New Account to connect a different one. Select the number of images to display in the block using the Items to Display slider. To customize how your Instagram photos display, click the Design tab. There are 4 design options, and each one has specific settings associated with it. There's the slideshow display, carousel, grid, and stacked. We'll go with the grid display. Once done, click Save. Feel free to try out each design and see which best displays your Instagram photos. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.